Before you can use your new SSD, you have to initialize it and partition it. Here is how to initialize your SSD for Windows. Attach the SSD as a secondary drive and load Windows onto it from your existing drive. Open Disk Management by right-clicking on Computer and selecting Manage, then Disk Management. When Disk Management opens, a pop-up will appear and prompt you to initialize the SSD. Select MBR or GUID partition table and click OK. Right-click in the area that says Unallocated and select New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard will open. Click Next. Leave the specified volume size as the maximum and click Next. Select the drive letter and click Next. In the Format Partition screen, decide on a volume label and click Next. The drive is now formatted and ready for use.